Hi guys, today we're going to make a video on a healthy salad dressing that does not use oil. So the dressing that we're going to make today is a balsamic vinaigrette without oil. Balsamic vinaigrettes are extremely popular and extremely tasty, but the normal dressing always uses oil. So in the Cure My Diabetes diet program and in our fat reduction programs, we don't use oil. Now the reason for not using oil is that 1 tablespoon of oil is 120 calories. So if you're on a 1200 calorie diet and if you use 1 tablespoon here, that's 10% of your calories coming from the oil itself. So today I'm explaining to you how you can make this dressing which we make in our kitchen right in your home and have salads. We recommend eating at least 250 grams of salads every day. So you can have those salads at home with an oil-free dressing. With me is our executive chef, Chef Hitendra Sharma. And Chef, I see the ingredients here. We are using balsamic vinaigrette, black pepper,
pink salt.
Pink salt. Pink salt has more minerals and that's why we use pink salt. This is a date paste and we actually make this paste in-house. So we take dates, we soak them in water and then we blend them. We strain it with a coarse strainer just to take out some of the biggest chunks of the peel and other stuff, but we want to leave most of the fiber in the paste. You can make this paste and leave it with you for many days. And then onions and tomatoes. Chef?
And hint of garlic.
And a hint of garlic. Chef, why don't you show us how we do this?
First, hint of garlic, onions, tomatoes, balsamic vinegar, ml, salt, pepper, date paste, and now we can blend them.
All right. And there's a lot of good blenders out there. We use the JTC blender. You can use any blender that you want. So guys, we blended it for about 45 seconds. And now you have a balsamic dressing that is extremely healthy, is full of vegetables, and the exact ingredients for this dressing are in the description of this video below. So please feel free to grab it from there. Yum. So this is a balsamic dressing that you can add to any of your salads, or you can just have it with tomatoes or with any of the seasonal vegetables that you like. And I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please do try and have these type of dressings at home. If you have questions, shoot them in the comment box. If you liked the video, hit like and do subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy without disease and without obesity.